InvestGlass approval process offers your company all the tools you need to master the quote-to-cash, sales process, and compliance processes. Easily configure workflows. Your team can generate contracts and follow all opportunities into InvestGlass. So how does it work? What you should know to start using this feature. Approvers list. An approver is a user who receives approval request emails or notifications. Usually, a group represents a team. You can add multiple approvers to a list. The approval steps will call an approvers list to cast a vote. Then you can decide if you wish for a series or parallel scenario. InvestGlass offers two types of approval processes, series and parallel. An approval process in series is when the request is sent to each approver one after the other. The validation must be done by each approver in order before being sent to the next approver. This type of approval process ensures that all necessary approvals are obtained before an action can be taken. A process in parallel is when multiple requests for approval are sent out at the same time and all of the approvers can validate or reject the request simultaneously. This type of approval process is often used when a decision needs to be made quickly, and it is essential that everyone's opinion or contribution is taken into account. InvestGlass also provides options for customizing an approval process to meet specific requirements. For example, if an approver group rejected an account opening because a document is not correct, the sales or banker will have a recall option to upload the right document and notify the group that rejected to redo a vote, and if accepted, the process will continue without asking again to groups that previously accepted. This will save your company hours of tedious processes. Now let's build an approval process together. First, create your approvers group. Then create a new approval process. Set the target object, which is the contact record or a document if you wish to approve a PDF, for example. Set the conditions variable if you wish to automate this approval process. Usually, we put none. Then select the communication method set up by default to notification on the website and email. You can create your own email template if you wish. Then the vote conditions. Here you can set up a recall function and also the reassign function. The last step in this approval process is the ending of communication. Congratulations, you built your first approval process. The next step is to set the chain of the approval process. The system is set to series by default, but you can also select the approval process in parallel. I'm sure that you are now convinced. Manual approval processes take a longer time to complete, and they are also more prone to errors. On the other hand, automating approval processes can give you more control and transparency and allow your team members to get approvals quickly. Thanks for watching. Ready to test InvestGlass? See how the world's fastest growing companies use InvestGlass to power efficient revenue engines.